Your body has been working without a break for years. Your liver filters your blood. Your kidneys flush waste. Your colon pushes out everything your body no longer needs. Your lymphatic system clears cellular debris. Your blood carries nutrients to every cell and carries toxins back out. These systems are powerful, but they get overwhelmed. The food we eat, the water we drink, the air we breathe, the stress we carry, all of it creates a toxic burden inside the body, and over time, that burden builds up in your tissues, your blood, your gut walls, your organs. And when your detox systems get overwhelmed, your body starts to show it. You feel tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep. Your digestion is off, bloating, constipation, irregularity. Your skin breaks out or looks dull. You carry weight that doesn't move no matter what you eat. Brain fog, low energy, headaches, joint pain. These are not signs of aging. These are signs your body is asking for help. That's exactly why the Whole Body Cleanse 7 to 21 days exists. This is Jamaica Health Box's most powerful formula, backed by 40 years of herbal expertise. It's a full-spectrum herbal protocol designed to flush, reset, and restore your body from the inside out. Not just your colon, not just your liver, your whole body, every major detox system, at once, the way nature intended. Let's break down what's in this kit and why every single piece matters. The Whole Body Cleanse is a 7-product kit. Each product targets a different system in your body. Together, they work as one complete detox protocol. Let's start with the most dramatic part. Olive oil, 16 ounces, cold pressed. This is not a cooking ingredient. This is a therapeutic flush. Cold-pressed olive oil is one of the most powerful natural agents for triggering a gallbladder and liver flush. When you drink 16 ounces of olive oil on day 1 of this protocol, it causes a powerful contraction of the gallbladder. That contraction forces bile out, along with gallstones, cholesterol deposits, and accumulated liver sludge that has been sitting in your bile ducts for years. Olive oil is the greatest source of monounsaturated fat in the plant world. Studies show that consuming virgin olive oil daily reduces LDL cholesterol oxidation and dramatically increases antioxidant compounds, particularly phenols, in the blood. When combined with freshly squeezed lemon juice, the flush becomes even more potent. The citric acid in the lemon helps break down the oil and stimulates bile flow, making the passage smoother. What comes out after this flush, typically within 10 to 24 hours, shocks most people. Green, pea-sized objects floating in the stool. Those are gallstones. Cholesterol deposits from years of fried foods and saturated fats. For many people, this is the first time they realize how much was trapped inside them. This is your main goal on day 1, and it's the most powerful start to any cleanse you will ever experience. CKLS, colon, kidney, liver, spleen formula. This is the backbone of the entire protocol. CKLS is a 10 herbal formula designed to cleanse and eliminate toxins from 4 major organs at once: the colon, the kidneys, the liver, and the spleen. The ingredients: aloe vera resin, chamomile, cascara sagrada, chaparral, mullein, uva urzi, fenugreek, cayenne, dandelion, and eucalyptus. Let's talk about what these herbs do. Aloe vera resin is a powerful colon cleanser. It contains anthraquinones that stimulate the smooth muscle of the intestinal wall, increasing peristalsis and moving impacted waste through the colon. Cascara sagrada, the sacred bark, is one of the most studied herbal laxatives in the world. It tones the colon muscles over time while gently stimulating bowel movement.
Dandelion pulls double duty. It increases bile production in the liver and acts as a diuretic for the kidneys. More bile means better fat digestion and toxin elimination. More urine output means your kidneys are actively flushing. Uva urzi has been used for centuries as a urinary tract cleanser. It contains arbutin, which converts to hydroquinone in the urinary tract, a natural antiseptic that kills harmful bacteria and supports kidney function. Fenugreek helps clear mucus from the digestive tract and supports glucose regulation. Mullein soothes inflamed respiratory and digestive tissues. Cayenne stimulates blood circulation and increases the effectiveness of every other herb it's combined with. CKLS doesn't cause stomach discomfort like harsh chemical laxatives. It works with your body's natural systems, gently, thoroughly, completely. You take CKLS before the cleanse to prepare your system, during the flush, and throughout the maintenance period. It is the constant in this protocol. Worms Be Gone, Parasite Elimination Formula. This is the one most people don't want to think about, but need to. Parasites are far more common than most people realize. They live in the gut, the colon, the liver. They steal nutrients, cause inflammation, disrupt sleep, and produce toxic waste inside your body. And most people have no idea they're there. Worms Be Gone contains black walnut, wormwood, clove, garlic, hyssop, and cayenne. This combination has been used to eliminate over 100 types of parasites and their eggs. Black walnut hull contains juglone, a compound with powerful anti-parasitic and antifungal properties. It has been shown to kill parasites in their adult stages. Wormwood contains artemisinin, the same compound used in anti-malarial medications. It is lethal to parasites at the cellular level. Clove contains eugenol, the only compound known to penetrate and destroy parasite eggs before they can hatch. Without clove, the other herbs only kill adult parasites, while the eggs survive to repopulate. Garlic adds broad-spectrum antimicrobial action, targeting bacteria, fungi, and parasites simultaneously. Together, these 6 herbs attack parasites at every stage of their life cycle: eggs, larvae, and adults. This is why Worms Be Gone is a critical part of any complete whole-body cleanse. Freedom, blood purifier. After your colon, liver, and kidneys are moving, the blood needs to be cleaned. Freedom contains golden seal root, dandelion root, burdock root, yellow dock root, chaparral, capsicum, and garlic. Burdock root is one of the most powerful blood-cleansing herbs in Jamaican and Caribbean herbal medicine. It contains compounds, artigenin and aeolin, shown to reduce inflammation and clear harmful bacteria from the bloodstream. Yellow dock root supports bile production and acts as a gentle but effective blood purifier with strong liver-supportive properties. Golden seal root provides antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and immune-stimulating effects. It has been used for centuries in indigenous medicine as a full-body tonic and infection fighter. Clean blood means more oxygen to your cells, more nutrients delivered, better healing, better energy, cleaner skin, clearer thinking. Freedom works alongside the liver and kidney cleanses to ensure that as toxins are released from the organs, they don't recirculate back into the blood. 4PG, Multi-Nutrient Replenishment Formula. A deep cleanse removes toxins, but it also means your body needs to be refueled. 4PG is a nutrient-dense herbal formula containing alfalfa, kelp, dandelion root, and capsicum. This 4-herb combination delivers a complete spectrum of essential vitamins and minerals, vitamins A, B, C, D, E, F, G, K, and more, along with a full panel of minerals including calcium, magnesium, iron, potassium, zinc, iodine, selenium, and phosphorus.
Alfalfa is one of the most mineral-rich plants on Earth. Its roots reach deep into the soil, sometimes 20 to 30 feet, pulling up trace minerals that surface plants never access. Kelp adds iodine, which supports thyroid function, metabolism, and hormonal balance. Together, 4PG ensures that your body is not just detoxed, but fully nourished and replenished throughout the cleanse. Now let's talk about the protocol, because doing this cleanse correctly is what makes it work. Before day 1, you prepare your system for at least 5 days. Take 3 CKLS capsules at night before bed. And drink at least half a gallon of spring water per day. This clears the pipeline. It opens the pathways, so the full cleanse can work at a deeper level when it starts. Day 1 is the flush. First thing in the morning, take 5 CKLS capsules with 32 ounces of spring water. Wait 1 hour. Then drink all 16 ounces of olive oil within 30 minutes, sipping on freshly squeezed lemon juice as needed. Then rest. Take time off. Let the cleanse work. Within 10 to 24 hours, you will have multiple powerful bowel movements. This is the flush. This is your body releasing what it's been holding on to. Days 2 through 7. You eat clean. Raw fruits and vegetables only. Half a gallon of spring water minimum per day. No alcohol, no coffee, no dairy, no flour, no fried foods, no sugar. Your digestive system needs space to heal. During these days, you take CKLS, Freedom, Worms Be Gone, and 4PG daily, each one targeting a different system while your body continues to detox at the cellular level. You can continue this protocol all the way to 21 days. And for a complete reset, that is exactly what Jamaica Health Box recommends. The results after 21 days speak for themselves. Improved digestion. Regular, complete bowel movements for the first time in years. Clearer skin. Better sleep. Higher energy. Reduced bloating and inflammation. Sharper mental focus. And for many people, the beginning of sustainable weight loss as the body releases toxin-related water retention and inflammation. This is why thousands of people come back to this cleanse year after year. The best time to start is when you feel a need to make a positive change. The change of seasons is ideal. And it's a commitment. 21 days of clean eating and daily herbs. But what you get on the other side is your body operating the way it was designed to. Who should do this cleanse? If you are feeling heavy, sluggish, or inflamed, do this cleanse. If your digestion is irregular or incomplete, do this cleanse. If you haven't done a deep cleanse in over a year, do this cleanse. If you want to reset your immune system and energy levels, do this cleanse. Your body has been working for you without a break. Give it 21 days of real support. Let the herbs do what 40 years of formulation expertise was built for. The Whole Body Cleanse, 7 to 21 days, from Jamaica Health Box. Available at jamaicahealthbox.com. Call 1-929-314-0106 if you have questions. Your body is ready for this. Are you?